Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Bluetooth is not working on Windows 10. And I have three options how we can fix this. The first option is go to the search bar and search for services. Enter that. Then search here for the Bluetooth. So we have two Bluetooth options just right here. This is the first one. Double click on it. Change startup to automatic and do server status stopped. Click there on start and then do apply and then do OK. And please do exactly the same for the other one, and that is this one. Startup type to automatic, start, click on apply and then do OK. This is the first way how you can fix it. The second way how we can fix this is throw this one away. Go to there and go to troubleshoot settings. Click on that. Go to additional troubleshooters. And then right here we click on Bluetooth. Run the troubleshooter. I know that on my PC I am not it's not possible to use Bluetooth. So on my PC he will says devices does not have Bluetooth. If I do next and you see this, he can give us feedback on this troubleshooter, or we can close the troubleshooter because I don't have the capability to use Bluetooth on my PC. But if you have the capability, then you will find here, find a solution, click on that, and then this troubleshooting program will help you out. Alright, the third and last option to fix this is go to left in the bottom, type in device manager, click on enter, and right now you will find here a Bluetooth logo and you need to click on that arrow. I don't have the option to use Bluetooth on my PC, but when you have the Bluetooth logo standing here, please click on the arrow there. Then you will see all the Bluetooth systems that you can use on your PC. Now maybe we have 1, 2 or 3, but make sure that you right mouse click everything and click on update driver. If you do that for all the Bluetooth options, after this third option your Bluetooth will probably work. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.